He's singing.
Okay, we're giving Mum and Dad the thank you present for summer school. It's a thank you present to Mum and Dad for paying for everyone to go to summer school.
Oh, thank you. Very fun.
There's Nenny's CD.
No, give him yours. Thank you. Oh,
So thank you for summer school.
This is very light.
Thank you for summer school. Yeah, do you remember summer school, Anthony? The church?
What a children. All the toys.
The Jesus one.
You took that? Who took that photo?
Is this upside down? Should I turn
I thought it was yours.
Yeah.
Did you put a sepia on it when you? Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you're the only one.
Oh, what is this, Anthony?
Oh, what is it, Pepper? Oh, that's what I was hoping it was a photo. I
Ah.
thought it was too light. It can't be a photo. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, it's the whole big thing.
This was such a good photo. It's my screensaver at work.
I'm going to turn it around. I'll show you. Oh, it's so good.
There's Anthony over there. Next to Daddy and next to Nenny.
Oh, it's so good. I was only looking at the other ones, you know, down Tribunal at the lakes.
Yeah.
And thinking, I have to get them to come together.
The holiday house. We like the holiday
You can say thanks to Matt and Nathan as well.
Oh, thank you,
You
Matt.
remembered.
Thanks, Nathan.
Thank you,
So
Nathan.
thoughtful. Thank
Matt.
you so much. Wow.
Cool.
Thanks, Tam.